na because so even as a rock nyame bie menen me ho say John Mahama and the next president of Ghana but MPP for next year I meet na obi bia odo man here and to tie pe so for entie muslim for na entie Ghana ni bia entie say omo share meeting say what they will do everything so be re-election na emposa sambe ma they will make sure say NDC for Winyamo for Abano. They will not give the power to them. They will not hand over the power to them.
Bamia sent people to come and talk to me.
Really?
Yeah, of course. He sent people to come and talk to me with office.
And I wanted to say they will come and deny.
No, I have the video. I taped them. But really? Yes, Jubilee has sent people. I'm saying it on your station. They send people to come and talk to me. They've approached me about 2 or 3 times. It's John Bay winning to Mumbai Jumano. Mumma Maninda. Mumma Maninda police station. Mumma Maninda. Yentimin to idea with.
So Penny Nigel Gazy, I will grant an interview at AKFM. Now interview or grantee, I might say I'm in a say. Post for epeno acheno na me dey send more details nana me dey ebro nti meso ne dey mo a subscribe my page ni me adoma no so send am here upload bia so na on sabeti me kana fe so no follow me on all the other social media platforms ni nyina so no 2G8 Ewusu ye be kai say 3 years ago 2021 na post for eche sofo Owusu Bempah ni nyina ye etokwa na ekoso beti ono ene Okonfoba agrada sofo Owusu Bempah nkola bi kotwe etu social media so na we ma post for bufu yiye pa say sa nema no mo nya no etia emra so making a threat on somebody's life and also would display guns on social media. Ghana for nyina bonse ma IGP say omubo homode so mo yese adwuma na ene na de Gazy kire sa ade ya mo ye sofo Owusu Bempah no ama NPP party no be go through a serious attack this election year na o kire mu a Owusu Bempah na boa ma NPP for to win power every now and then inti enam so mutumi kire ne nkwane de NPP will suffer spiritual issues na no answer on ma osaso kire mu say apama eda Owusu Bempah enu Nyankopon tem no sa apam no be soro etia NPP osaso kire mu say John Mahama be wini abato we na mum no NPP aban no emma kwan ma John Mahama emenye the next president of Ghana.
Commercial break no me bomama ne say ya commercial break ni ba my guest on the line will be one of the most authentic, reliable, dependable, extended voice of God on earth. Ye ka nyame kompokesia nyame ekasafa wo mu e wasasi so emieti nyame adwempo ni tirimupo ene ne nekrogyen ya ye yini mfrim. Oye the leader and founder of Prophetic Hill Chapel, Prophet Nigel Gazy. Nyame di for machin. Nyame adumo me patron na wonso e.
Nyame ho na mo me chiao.
Emejoso.
Ya fada na chia open bia o tie station na me chia in aye papa so for so that bad be will be nyame enchira no. Me chia Christopher will be o tie me and me chia the incoming president of the Republic of Ghana, Kwame Dramani. The view will be a Michiano, the Michiama showing my Prophetic example for you.
Where they okay, yeah, December 7th, just around the corner there, but the young rule, but when you're bo, the obey me, you can't find say, where you soon electoral commissioner. What do you want with you?
Over the years, my assistant community about the grace of God. But I feel in Kasa, but I feel my own clients here and started here in Kasa. Now, because soon, even as a knock, Yami BM and me who said John Mahama and then the next president of Ghana. But MPP for next year, I meet na obibia odoma na ntia entontie pempo ntia sofo pempo entie musulmi form pempo yana entie Ghana ni bi entie se omo hia ye meeting se what they will do everything so be re-election na emposa sambe ma they will make sure say NDC for unyamu fa abano they will not give the power to them, they will not hand over the power to them. Into no yourself as you wait woman must say yes start kasane prompt or man on your prompt na empire koso na obedience so man in edaho especially to Mahama it's so man in edaho it's so man in edaho bibia oba koto abate sia so man in because NPP for na nyali yitre musunsun so ma ye meeting say enkoyi afio ye nyom be ye bia so mu isu issue omu isia bi be ye bia afio with the enkoyi I've seen it times and times again omu ye sacrifice be a lot of sacrifice they are bearing cows they baby be bearing afio we NDC and they are scared of accountability na urban inti omu sign meeting say omu hand over
and can we place on record said there Odi4 Nigel Gezi Ekaway now near the Anyami Ebieneni Ewo Sunsumu
Nyankopon ebie meni Ewo Sunsuma we yatreme ebina any upon you wait wakabi bratreme na be praying the affairs the better yakikani
mami bisa kakra ebi kase akamia ye say twedi amponyame a osi hine tu hine as ebufo kakra wo olumamu against NPP amanyuku oyin to niama mienu say the very act of God the prophetic do omo ba amambu mu no omo mani die and then two a promise to God to build cathedral. And also so anye yintama esi hine to hine nyame ni buofu amanyukoyi kakra
enye kakra nyame buofu dana omochi adete sadio makada dana nyame afamwa kada dana omochi supposed to be da their last straw was abdomen apkamani is supposed to be echi na their last straw because the last election spiritually almost winning a normal nyame there was a lot of battles. I tell you that sometimes nyame be many celebration possible say so for Owusu Bempah or not the pina be womb there were a lot of spiritual things that went on the last election and yes so for Owusu Bempah Adam and other pastors and but predominantly so for Owusu Bempah and the day almost saka pakano and already be many some can show man the NPP is finished and nothing will save them. Nothing will save them. In the American say but this government over the years and recently say almost say because there's so much and normally bringing near Akoso and so they don't want to leave power. You see, and they made a great mistake say Saka supposed to them. And I thought they are still attacking him. And almost this situation, you are the uncle for Genesis chapter 9, your uncle for me, we have people are your people they have a lot of monuments before God. And I believe said supposed to them part account. And I supposed to them part Brahma part, Like I was saying, if you have there were a lot of engagement and you're supposed to be by 2016 and come on, but last election, almost but and now certain atonements and certain things and take him on. But this year, and yet by the grace of God.
This year, no, and yet, mano. Aya a different can say here, Obi or no, Namun Kwabeka, oh, Abani, a polling station, one. Yediko Mutia Kwasi ballot papers no and none a day and couldn't be any ba and the for say will be a way no it has no role to play.
That is never true. Okay, Bible, okay, a Bible says Nyami rules and affairs of men. And that the basic woman namun be as I say it was so mansa and as soon as the young crop for a rade and the actual monster and I believe that me can't be so for Opokunsi and Mokan be so for Sambat Mokan so for Owusu Bempah so can be and now over nation be a moment be more obey be more your watchers your edifor they are watchers of the country You were different radically or minor Kashomonsa, almost see a bisi, almost bubua, a bebubu. And over the years, no, we have prophetic inspiration if you suffer prophetic inspiration if you any other prophet and this government almost attack the prophetic. And watch me, I did about where they say each time cry more and say, or sister, you mistake me and my about we back. I thought what religious people should listen to me or say, Yamika say they are going to bring a law like what they are doing in I think it's Kigali area or Rwanda. The only first degree I saw for me. I thought for no 300 cities, 600 cities, and Mona almost promoted no mana in Pinyameno. Nyame Mami who say about we at Waswa. They are going to bring a law. The only first degree, years of all. Yes, they are going to introduce that inimical law Kigali introduced to Rwanda now. And Christianity will be reduced to nothing. The prophetic right on Messiah because don't forget the Vice President here, Council of Ghana Police Service, or the law about a default and common. Into a man who kind may God forbid, not the president here, and the default and common more. Young Kenya. And don't forget that before we buy a different human film because our icons have been attacked. All the major voices in the prophetic have been attacked. Look at Owusu and Bempah over the years. Nyamifa and Soayema Akufa and look at that are not made TV. Look at that attack and no more attacking us. These are little boys. The woman who Owusu and Bempah was the community. They are not straight to living clinics. These are people that did not live life. But they were attacking the men of God. This regime have allowed the church to be attacked, men of God to be attacked. Almost the battle is the Lord. That's the air committee, meaning house in our casa. And I'm on the number there, and the battle is of the Lord. In the Christian media, TM, software be a TM, the enemy for the mistake, which we will not do because you never be a Bekasa, they were bomb pine, the Bempah. And now you can't do attack, but this one they good for good because as a CM they established and the Council of God to stand over Ghana and over this election. It's unfortunate. About we almost about we and then just a few, but it's unfortunate that a few almost normal casa a them. Can you imagine say Brahma NDC? Namia family saw in number be Brahma NDC. Nigel Mahama and Sakamia. Yami Bubefono, you're seeing Yami for.
And for going by the Awu Candia, Sir NPP abided in Saka, Odufo Owusu Bempah and the Ma at the ACACDA and Nkugono SC 2021.
See that. The last election spiritually was not for them. It was sacrifices. A normal baby, I acquire Yintiminka. Also, a pam. One of the days, Namibia and Namibia, baby, I'm a Bempah. Not balloons, they bring on my name, easy balloons during the last election. It may cause to measure with someone say, suppose the party at the walk at the high balloons. So that was the celebration of the NDC in the last past election. But prayers and other things were going on.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, it went their way. So people like that, a person like that should, and you see, every prophet hearing me, every man of God hearing me, we are doing this for the church, we are doing this for the prophetic, we are doing this for Ghana. Say, they should not attack our own. With all that supposed to them, NPP should not be ungrateful, and they are being ungrateful to the man of God. And I know that the covenant of the man of God will fight them at this pool, and Ghanaians will punish them massively at this pool. Ghanaians will punish them at this pool. We are praying and we are lifting up a lot of sacrifice. It will not work this time. And everybody should be vigilant. Vigilant. Now, young boy, young man, no mind, because the deal man do spiritually is not the best.
Talking about Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, Odufo consistently, what make it this pronouncement from the one Assembly SC, which you are on record, you bet to me about playback in case there is a doubting Thomas Bia. a while ago now work as a camia say party no nyame. Party no nyame no is it because of nipa oyi nenim 2016 at the ma womo not the kind of treatment omo the man nti and we make it a statement now ba community be so count.
But I see let's thank you be here with him and make sure that me banging up for your service. Bible says say ni papa edi o man so man no they enjoy, but say ni papa ni edi o man so o man suffer. And the Ghana then unless you want to wear political colors. I'm sorry, in conform sorry. Offering swatting. In conform ejuma and koso. Last 3 days, Papa Bamo or yeah, I am still ejuma egu. For the first time, I saw them at 4:35 p.m. Not in conform back home from Pedi and Eddie. Miko abusku abona say college they had 2 or 3 hours I senior boys present na pray munso na ne yenom ye di esi ade last Saturday miko honum koya ade bi hono ko he bre munso ontimi fa bi nyehe every sector or every sector of the Ghanaian economy. I mean it's nothing good to write home about. Miko $1 no pay am smart then cost $1 dollar is 16.4. And dollar was 40, 50. Unless you are profiting from the loot that is going on. But if you love Ghana and you put the nation above partisan, this is any other parochial interest, everything shows say, Omo Muti or minus when Yaminsa, if you almost so. Now, radical me say, what sin on if you are bound with only to be abandoned the song we are not saying. Oh, yeah, for the past 4 years, you move so, but you can't touch the Lord's anointed and for God to back you. You can't touch and fight the covenant. Machida, self of Bempah, for time of opposition. No, Musia, 3 times every week to pray. 3 times every week to pray. They say, Nyami so for Nyami before to me waste time with sacrificing in a government wants more opposition. Now, like I said, the Brebama 8 years. The papa, I mean, and Guasia, almost stop him, everything. Nanyamia Domna, Dizema 8, Mahama ba. Now, Omobe mishandle. I don't need anything from them because I'm a man of God. I'm not expecting any material gain. But Omobe mishandle. The Nyami suffer, and no medimate. Nyamin Town, so that and Saturday normally image never fight them. And Saturday and they fight NPP for. There is nothing they will do because I saw it clearly. It was an open vision. I was watching it. The Lord told me, say, may you mean that because they have touched my Lord as my anointed. And they are still doing it. Mr. Sesofo paying Amwakwata Parliament House, everyone almost said they should stop attacking Sofo Bempah. And it is their nature. They attack men of God. They fight their church. And like I said, they will bring a law. Only first degree. Unfortunately for me, my church will still go on first degree. Only first degree, like Rwanda, only for Ghana. Prophet Nigel says, you mistake. To say the last time you mistake, no. Now you told me about will be man. So we are software. Only third degree, you cannot work as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ. You engage wa untimi nyame adwuma. Nti again, omo just 300 cities. Omo afale no, omo call 186 people, omo call koka. Omo in local languages say bompa you na so mu say yen nyame adwene. Yen ma your full ndi anim. Yen nyame adwene. Let's put the nation Ghana above all interests. About we are Philip Otto, and we should punish this government. Because the government, we cannot find punish the government with the Zema 7. Any politician will take anybody and everybody for granted. They are punishing about with the Zema 7 or Ghana for and to about with boom and punishing on my or a president Kufuado and mere president with governance. Every ruler, every politician will do whatever they please. There are this main country of man like I've been telling the nation over the years. So we should, he is not with this government. So we campaign. So we're near party say move going here. Who won't be in yesterday? Picture no come there billboard. Who won't be in yesterday? Who the 2 million yesterday, Yaminsa Efimo, Yaminsa Enemo. But meaning so percent some BB.
Now, or do for whether maybe Saka Crase. Come here, say, soon someone say my work and say me tell dear. I say, as a beyond Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah, as software war or my we are a bit peeved about.
No, we are not a bit peeved. A lot of us are peeved because they have touched us. And when you touch the church, you see, I mean, I did history at the University of Ghana, and throughout civilization and all from the era of romanticism to the era of now, obi bia aban bia na emperor na ruler bia na politician bia or the nsaka nyame Jerusalem nyame asafo or the Zion no sa onya kono he or she does not end well. A lot of my prophet friends have died because of what this government did to them on the truth.
Hey,
a lot of my yes, then you because of ensure you so we are all in this nation. Your peace council, your Pentecostal charismatic. Already catch me last 3 weeks. Main cancer, apostolic fathers. And I say, Omunjla ma omano because omani you no ni kuisodia. Na sani already say otin no eje omani fi a champion sem no. That no watching no aje omani every president Mahama we are friends saying Paumia any Kufuado and some no dia Mahama the na yen support Mahama nombra. But during the course of the weeks and the months, I'll be saying it clearly again. Look, maybe you don't understand what it takes for a man of God of the stature of Owusu Bempah to say, may the mass sorry air to line. And coming about we are the first one of the few things that will do say, and come by a see a sorry that befitting to honor the man of God. Again, honor the man of God, lift out the prophetic. Your prophetic man but now you are fighting the prophetic. You are fighting the prophetic. Make sure the main want to know. They are fighting the idea. If they have a prophecy that doesn't favor them, inspiration and your mission doesn't favor them. So maybe almost attack me about how about how about that? How about that? So it's unfortunate. God is not with this government. And Obi be your Bempah be any. Obi be your Donyame any. So we should punish these people so that no politician can take Ghanaians for granted. No politician, no emperor, no ruler can take Ghanaians for granted. I am for the brain kasa, and for the brain kasa, and some people want yen to mean can obey them. But there be a man eduno. The nation needs a rescuer. The nation needs the nation money and sa a bit of money so look, me quiet conference go attack ready. We trying to who were near a normal element, natural element to woman every nothing is working. So what me preach amateur radio so who drive it and you and machine Accra. It's just like the daytime. First you call radio so and accommodate for edge people cannot sleep. When you go and this thing is a national security, it should be a national security problem. First, so who call radio so in machine, who call radio so or number cry, a chance and for it. Says your own preaching we can for it. So people cannot sleep. Bread and butter is a problem. And it's all about free SHS. Yes, free SHS is good. But free SHS is not the only segment of society that builds the entirety of society. They have attacked the church, they have attacked banks, they have attacked everything. Daily scandals, Ghanaians, that says the Lord. We should punish these people at the pool. We should punish MPP. President Kufuor's MPP wasn't like this. The days of Dambuchi and the co, it was not like this. The days of Nana Akumi and the rest, it was not like this. The days of Hakuma Owusu, the days of Michael Kwe, it was not like this. This MPP is a different MPP. And I call, says the Lord, I should charge the nation, I call on even the MPPs for us to punish this type of MPP. Let them go back to the drawing board and come again. Let them go back. Let Ghanaians to punish these people. But President Kufuor ruled majestically. We were all lovers of the MPP. This is not the MPP. This is the MPP of a few that they have destroyed and they keep destroying. They have no fear of God. They just say it is not from their hearts. They just say it is not. They are wicked. They are wicked in every sense. Look, one paramount chief called me. Not Wiminia, not Owusu phone or so. A paramount chief. I said, Prophet, I'm going to preach a paramount chief. But I need to be an Ebetiniaka. Money is so. Most of our young girls now are prostitutes. Most of our young girls are prostitutes, they don't have bread and butter. Most of our young girls, and none of me penny be power, friend me, or the prophet who preach here, kasa, because a time is coming and there will be a national dance from young panic. How can we continue like this? On mine is soon. On mine is soon. Means they will come after me, but we are ready. Because we are ready to put a nation above every personal interest. We are ready, and let them declare, say, any pastor they attack this time, we will come after them. All the prophet will talk. We will come after them, and I tell you that we are praying against them. Since they started attacking us, we have always been praying against them. We have been praying. Nyame nyankopon Israel nyankopon wa ma yetumi yesi yebu yani mpaye emo mobile the president secretary on my office osuku me so NPP from Bempah bebre no more office ye mpaye mo mobile but the be omodi amana the rather something cancer apostolic leaders of the nation say yenji o man no be so man Ghana you know asafu nyankopon dia no say senya oji o man fi example self no sa no aji o man no fi president Akufo-Addo ene baumyansem ye toma baumya man no bebre ye toma baumya no ma bebre ni nyame hu o man is nyamisa on come hobim what you watch no one your man na December 7 Ghana for na toma NDC for so more young they should not become comfortable. They should be radical. More money down because they have said, because they know the loot there. As the days are coming, we say, I'm going to support now America. I was in America last 3 months, and some of the things I saw in Florida and New Jersey, it's not the best. You may but you may to what extent? Nipa say now be Nipa say now be so don't people know and don't people read about Gaddafi? About the other world leaders they amassed so much, but their end was not glorious. Bible said, what shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and loses his soul? Politicians should learn from the people like President Kufuor's government. Why is it that everybody loves President Kufuor? Yes, he's not a perfect human being, he's not a saint, but he did not hurt the nation like these people have hurt the nation. They've attacked every sector of the Ghanaian fabric. This maybe they are not true. Security men are crying. The men and women in the barracks are crying. They call us. They come to us. Pastors are crying. And businessmen are crying. Career men and women are crying. Regular people who are said where they don't have jobs, they are crying. How? Why? We should think about Ghana. We should put Ghana first. How much? And you see some of these people who have not even worked. Some of them were our mates in Legon. The now Minister of Information was my mate in Legon. Fatia Bubakar. I'm not saying she's one of them. Some of them are exceptional. But the few of them, the loot is so much. So here in NPP here, we don't hate you people. We are taking the mind of God. We are prophet. What we do is that we bring you people back when you are going off track. Then you people are off track. You people should come about 79 or 80 days more before election. Please, you people should say that by just unfortunate that it's too much, if nothing can save you people again. But when God helps you people and you come back after 4 years or after 8 years, let's run the country well and let's put Ghana first. It's not for you to me be a michiamo, or be otia me michiao, it is meaning to meet Medaniapa, Mikanya Miadre, Yamiadana Makacho.
What do you have better son of pay? And as you go, Sunsumu, one new Obadi, a boncomono, Nia, Afia Batrono, or Soro, Aina Magana, once again, wine.
John Dramanima, MPP will not go beyond 40%, as I saw. Will not go beyond 40%. There is an agenda, it was pray, but Kwase, to use the religious funds, it will not work. To use the EC spiritually, that is where the NDC, John Mahama, must be vigilant. Metroleta, I'll send it to you. No reading letter, and you should go by it. And you may share no independence square. The radical Bempah no I restore mine. That is what I saw. And if one no more quality or more year we no more hand no more years of full Bempah. Not young boy yet the young bank. Young boy yet the young bank. Meaning and macro for Namiso Bibia, me papa no Bibio chairman of Paris. Or man, the soul of the nation is crying. Who are near or money soon? Who are near or money is soon? Or money soon to me, I'm a mean Johnny. Every time you ever sack a young punish our boundary. December 7th, the Radisson cut on my Ghana. So we should punish this government for all the wrong they have done. We should punish them. Normal cost standard human, or they should learn their lesson. Yamisha.
Yamisha wants so. Prophet Nigel, leader founder, Prophetic Hill Chapel.
Sa asemi o kan ni hu se no. Asemi nya asema wo se sofo bi na no eka. Fi se sofo eka sa ensem si a e de wantwi ene wetimi ni wa kam e beba omanimo. We na mankofo ensu frɛ IGP se ebe ya omonto omusan frɛ sofo kobena gezi no fa nsini mu nchiremu emra.
There is nowhere in the world that if I want to go, I will not go with ease. And Namie Shrami by the message of God. So what will at least let me tell Bobby. Bamia sent people to come and talk to me.
Really?
Yeah, of course. He sent people to come and talk to me with office.
And I wanted to say they'll come and deny.
No, I have the video. I taped them. But
Really?
yes, Jubilee has sent people. I'm saying it on your station. They send people to come and talk to me. They've approached me about 2 or 3 times. Sent by church here, I said with office. So why won't I accept that offer if it's not of God? You see, we don't say things by trend or anything. No. Some of us say Michelle come, Satisha come at the age of 14 years. We don't prophet. A true prophet of a sword that's not prophesied by trend or hearsay. No, we don't do that. Because it can delay, you can damage it, you can attack it, but if in Yamu,
Prof, find time.
Now, only money I call by.
Where?
I saw Nyame 101. Now, me catch some. You see, this election is about Ghana and this NPP. This election is about Ghana. Yes, you're there. I'm attacking you. But they still came to me, sent people to me, and said, "And my office or na I told them. And I told them that I don't know what they are also going to say. And see, let me keep records. So I'm out. It's John Bill winning to Mumbai Jumano, Mumma Maninda. Mumma Maninda police station, Mumma Maninda. Yentimin to idea with so.
The Dikai, now the gates go granted an interview. Ewo Accra FM and Ochim say, Jomama Nebe Winnie about to wear Yabatu, no, the next president of Ghana. Ochi Accra FM interview, no senti OK FM interview now. Only said the Nigel Ekano. Emboano, Fisidikano, or Chim said, Joma be winning, Etino, Obiani Nejuma. Secondly, Afobase, Obe winning Momono, young Fatumino, and said John Mahama, and Sa Semi Okaino, a confirm and comse, Ebinswa, a sophonumbi, Ashe, Utie prophet Isaac Antoa, Echrim say, or Sono Eddie in ye day, Etrifemo. Utie prophet Fire or Johnson comes or say, also Echrim say, ye day. Akunyane ma Jomama say na so ba Jomama slow enema NPP for no ekofa empumemu ekotena akunyane so na wo kasa enkomhye we nyina ebom se eyampa so mo edi fo nko ade a wo kasa enkomhye we nyina abom a ne da mean say NDC for belusu ana se den ebusuya jawadi tire to your comment section when mu ha wo sifa dis assembly na afi so no post ifu omope Nigel ache no so no ne kwan so no ana na afi subscribe page na mi adoma no so sena me upload bi anso na unsa betima ka na afi so kan say obe follow me on all the other social media platforms so any nyina so too much age makra